So, you actually showed up. I owe my friend 500 rupees now.
Wait, you bet on me coming?
No, I mean. I told him, there's no way she's coming. He said, have faith in humanity, bro. Clearly, he was right.
Well, tell him he won. But honestly, I almost cancelled.
Why? Work again?
No. Laziness. Saturday afternoon naps are dangerous. Once you lie down, it's over.
I know. Gravity becomes 10 times stronger on weekends. So, coffee is okay?
It's good. Better than the park bench, definitely. AC is a lifesaver.
Yeah. And less mosquitoes.
True. So Rahul, tell me, besides sitting on park benches, what does a typical weekend look like for you?
Usually, boring. Laundry, cleaning my room, maybe watching cricket.
That sounds very disciplined.
It's not discipline, it's fear. If I don't clean my room, my mom will do it. And then I will never find my things again.
Mom cleaning means black hole for stuff. I get it.
Oi, Rahul.
Oh no.
Bro, you are here? You said you are busy with office work.
Amit, hey. Just unexpected meeting.
Meeting? Looks like a very official meeting. Hi, I'm Amit. Rahul's headache since class 6.
Hi Amit. I'm Neha.
Nice to meet you, Miss Neha. Rahul, you didn't tell me you have company.
Amit, we just met. Please don't start.
Relax. I won't disturb. I just came to grab a coffee. But seeing you here with a girl on a Saturday, this is a miracle.
A miracle? Is Rahul usually antisocial?
Antisocial? Madam, this guy is a monk. He goes to office, comes home, eats kidney beans with rice, and sleeps. I have been trying to get him to a club for 3 years.
Amit, stop exaggerating. I go out.
Where? To the grocery store?
He actually offered to help me with grocery shopping last time.
See, I told you. He is an 80-year-old man trapped in a 25-year-old body.
Okay, enough roasting me. Amit, don't you have somewhere to be? Like, anywhere else?
Not really. My gym partner cancelled. Leg day skipped. Destiny brought me here to roast you.
No, stay. I want to hear more about Monk Rahul.
Neha, don't encourage him. Please.
See, Miss Neha, can I call you Neha?
Yeah, sure.
Neha, in college, this guy was a legend. But for the wrong reasons.
Amit, I swear.
One time, we had a college fest. Everyone is dancing, partying. Where is Rahul?
Where?
He is in the library, fixing the librarian's computer because she said the Wi-Fi is not working.
No way. Really, Rahul?
She was an old lady. She needed help.
Bro, it was the DJ night. Wi-Fi isn't working. Set your priorities, brother.
That is actually very sweet. A bit nerdy, but sweet.
Sweet? Maybe. But that's why he is single.
Amit,
What? I'm helping you. I'm acting as your wingman. Neha, tell me, don't you like nice, helpful guys?
I do, actually. Better than the guys who just flex in the gym.
Ouch. Direct attack. Okay, point taken.
see? She roasted you back. Good job, Neha.
Respect. She is smart, Rahul. Keep this one.
Amit, seriously. Drink your coffee.
So Neha, what do you do? Apart from tolerating Rahul?
I work in marketing.
Marketing. Deadly. You must be good at convincing people.
I try. Convincing Rahul to meet was easy though.
Hey, I wanted to meet.
Oh, I wanted to meet. Listen to him. The boy is blushing.
I am not blushing. It's hot in here.
You are blushing a little bit.
Caught in 4K. Okay, jokes apart. I actually have to run. Mom is calling. If I don't pick up in 3 rings, she assumes I'm kidnapped.
A classic mom.
Exactly. Neha, it was lovely meeting you. Seriously, you seem cool.
You too, Amit. It was entertaining.
Rahul, don't mess this up. Be normal. Don't talk about coding or taxes.
Get out, Amit.
Bye guys. Enjoy the coffee.
I am so sorry about him.
Are you kidding? He was hilarious. Rahul the monk. I love it.
He has no filter. He just says whatever comes to his brain.
It's nice. He really cares about you though. Wingman duty.
Yeah, he's a good friend. Just loud.
It broke the ice, honestly. I was feeling a bit nervous before he came.
You? Nervous? You look totally calm.
Acting, my friend. Pure acting. But now, I feel like I know the real Rahul a bit better. The library guy.
Please forget the library story.
Never. I'm saving that for future blackmail.
Great. Just what I needed.
So, Mr. Monk, should we order something to eat? Or is that against your discipline?
No rules today. Let's order.
Good. Because I'm starving.